Alright, I'm back with you once again. And the drawings I'm going to show you are floor plans of some houses. Now this one I did was of maybe a hotel or something. Now I kind of botched up this end over here with the bedroom, extra bedroom there, or hotel room. You can see a floor plan here, an open space here, an open space here, these two. So this is the first one I draw. Second one I'm going to show you is a picture of these two-story homes. You can see different window patterns that I did. You can see here, two-story houses. This is the second sketch I want to show you. And finally, show you this floor plan of a conference room. You can see the door here, and the table, and all these chairs here. So, those are my sketches for today. I'll show you more in a future video.